Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for a crafty weekend. Today the freebie is this one here, is a page that has been designed from one of my VIP lounge papers for the month of February, which is called Daisy, Denim and Daisies. I think I got I got the pages here. So that is the kit. But I'm going to show you all the paper in just a minute. And also I have another kit very similar, which is part of this design, which is available on my website for everybody to purchase. But this collection here, her design specifically for my VIP lounge members. Before I show you how to get this, let me show you the VIP lounge papers for the month of February. First digital paper pack is called Shiny Bows, and it's a collection of 4 pages with all glittery bows full of gems. I absolutely love them, and I got a project in mind I'm going to do with this, so keep watching on my channel because it's coming fairly soon. I cannot wait to make them. I love them, love them, love them. So if you like a bit of glitz, if you like a bit of glam and some jewelry, yeah, this is the paperback for you. I absolutely love them and they're so cute. And of course, because I have chosen the same color palette, which is mostly blues, pinks, and gold, these bows can be designed, we mix and match them. So if I put them all, and they all got different shapes, can you see? So got that one, the one with the tails. So if I put the bows like this, all the 4 pages, you can see that you can use them all together in one project, or you can mix and match them because they all will work together. So yeah, this is number 1, shiny bows. Number 2, this is a request from the lovely Kim. Kim is a member of my VIP lounge. Kim has asked for some bird stickers. Now, of course, I'm going to put like this so you guys can see the page on its entirety. Of course, these are printed on copy paper. Okay, so just like normal paper, you put it through your printer. The printer works its magic and print on ink. Now if you use adhesive sheet, so it's the one that you use for stickers, you put it through and they will be printed on top, and then what you do, you simply fussy cut them and they will be your stickers. So Kim, I hope you like them. I selected all different size birds with different colors, so in different sizes. So that the first page are the larger birds. So if I put them like that, you can probably see them. Yeah, so they are the larger birds, and then you've got a different size here. And then again, I just put some flowers so they can be used together. There are some small birds, some leaves. This one here is probably my favorite page because there is a black and white one, which I quite like it. And I don't think it's a robin because the robin are all one color, but I do like how his feathers blend together. I think it really works. And then the last page again are even the small sizes. So you got, imagine like you got small, medium and large. Okay, so I gave you 3 different sizes. So yeah, so that's your birds. They can literally fussy cut them, and you don't have to use them stickers. You can just fussy cut them on, you know, on a printer paper. You don't have to use them as stickers. But yeah, that was the brief, and I hope I got the brief right. Kim, let me know if you like them. And then the last paper pack is my favorite. It's called Denim and Daisy. Now I have a similar kit excuse me, on my website, which is now my 3rd bestseller. So the first bestseller is the Blue Butterflies, then is Love from the Far East, which is my Asian kit, and this one is my 3rd. Okay, so it's number 1. It's called Denim and Daisy. So there is a variation of this on my website, but because it's so popular, I thought to design a version purely for my VIP members. So you've got a lovely background, which can be used in its entirety. So you can use this page exactly as it is, or you can fussy cut the lady, you can fussy cut the lace, you can fussy cut the flowers, you can even fussy cut the ephemera there, so you can do anything that you want. Then the second page is this one here. So you've got 2 square images, and I thought they would look amazing as if you do like memory keeping. And then 4 different, oh, you can see them here, cookies and the lovely daisies. It's all about denim and daisies, so it's all about the denim color with the lovely daisies. Another page is my favorite one, and then I just put the baskets. So if you do like a garden journal or something like spring sort of color, this will really work. And then last page is this one here. So there are a collection of 7 tags. So you've got 5 tags the same size. So you've got the sheep, the balloons, the brolly, the little bird, and the bicycle. And then 2 which are slightly larger. And you've got the lovely lady and the lace. And look at him. I mean, can it be any cuter? So that is my denim and daisy. So as usual, guys, you get 3 paper packs. So you get the denim and daisies, the bird stickers, and the bow, and also you get a letter gift box. Now, when we started this series, we done all, in fact, I think I got them here. Yes, they're here. Ta-da-da. We done letter A, B. Sorry, they come in. C, D, E, F, and they're all different. G, that's from Georgia. H and I that we did last month, and now today is letter number G. So that's the template. So you get the page with the assembly instructions, so how you put it together, and then you get the actual construction. So you got, that's the back, and because I had some space, I gave you an extra free embellishment. So it's a very large scallop letter. So that's the 2 tabs on the base, that's the top, the bottom will be lift up, and then the scallop will be, you know, will be your top reversed. And then this is the main instruction. So you've got your front, your 2 sides, and the top, but it's very, very clear. And also all my VIP members will get a private video that I have filmed to showcase step by step how to put these elements together. But let me show you what the letter G will look like when it's all done up. And this is what letter J will look like, and that was the envelope look like when it's all done up. So you've got, as I said, you've got the 2 sides, and then you just fold the top, and that will be your lid, and that's the letter J. Okay, beautiful. Love, love, love this letter. This is probably one of my favorite letter, together with the letter F. I really, really like this letter because it's very vintage. There is a bit of hand typing. Yeah, I love them all. Let me show you all the letters on the desk. So these will be available on my website to be purchased as a bundle. So from letter A to letter J, but of course my VIP members get this free to send out to their email monthly. Okay, so look at that. So it's a page that can be used as a background, or you can fussy cut the laces, the denim, the roses, the flowers, etc. So it's completely up to you. Just give you a couple of options. How do you get this? My freebie, I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. a newsletter, and I will put here what the newsletter looks like on the screen. The newsletter is an email containing the papers of the month, the videos of the week, everything is in there. And you know, there's always a cheeky discount code, but because by the time you watch this video my newsletter was already gone out, you can join my Facebook group, and you can get about, I think it's about 300 freebies in date order. So you, once you join, click on files and you can download them all. Let me show you where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group. You can see the banner here, AntonioMakes.com, and there is 2 lovely, a lady and a gentleman on the background. So you will need to send an invite, and of course I will approve your membership, of course. So in here, you will see all my videos that I have shared. Of course, this is me, but also Aber, all different creations, just some lovely projects from other different crafters, just to give some ideas. If you look on recent media, you click on see all, you'll see them all, etc. But to find a freebie, so as I said, this is the main page. So if you click on files, ta-da! So these are all my freebies in alphabetical orders. Okay, and in here you find all my free advent calendars from 2024 for December. I merged them all together, and you see the individual file here. But if you keep scrolling down, you see there are freebies, tons of freebies to download. Happy crafting. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a wonderful weekend. If you like my freebie, please consider give it a big thumbs up. It don't cost you anything, but it really helps with my journey here on YouTube, because the algorithm has changed. So every time you guys interact with me, YouTube gets a little notification to say that, you know, you guys love what I do and what I make. So I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful weekend, guys, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.